Guys, welcome to my channel, RoseJayCreates. I wanted to show you some projects that I have been working on. So I gotten some molds, and these are some little round circular molds that I had gotten, and I wanted to try something different with working with my resin. So I wanted to create some refrigerator magnets, and I wanted to make them interactive for my niece and my grandson and whoever else, I decided to give them to. And I wanted to be different. So I put candy in my molds. And so as you can see, let me turn it this way. And they have a magnet on the back, so they're on this cookie sheet. So this one I filled it with a piece of peppermint candy. This one is filled with a Starburst candy. This one is filled with Skittles. This one has little stickers in them, more stickers. Some of them have glitter in it. So these are some of the fun projects that I was working on, and I would like to show you. So just please, if you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe. Just go to RoseJayCreates, and I will show you exactly how I did this. So thank you guys. Let me know what you think. Please comment, and have a good day. Bye.